Can't win them all. Can't win them all. Well, my favorite, one of my favorite shows of all time. This is definitely in the top 5. Nothing better to sit down with a bottle of wine and watch this show. I don't care what everybody thinks of me. Paul Williams sings a song, a little short guy. Love, exciting and new, come bold. We're expecting you, and love, life's sweetest reward. Let it flow. It flows back to you. The love boat soon will be making another run. The love boat promises something for everyone. Set a course for adventure, your mind's on a new romance. And love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore. Is love, love, and love. So we're making another run. The love boat promise me something for everyone. Set a course for adventure, your mind's on a new romance. And love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore. Is love, love, is love, is love boat, is love boat, is love boat, is love boat, is love boat. That's right, Paul Williams, a little short guy from Smokey and the Bandit. He wrote that song. Thank you very much.